I, down, little, across, across. Okay, what comes after I?
C.
What letter?
S.
S. Put it down, little. S, now
E.
E. Good job. And then E. Good job. What comes after E?
A.
A, little. A. What comes after A?
Brown.
Brown. Yeah, what letter?
D.
No.
D.
B.
B.
Okay, down, up and around. Good job. What comes after B?
R.
R. Little. R. Let's just erase this. It's too big. Let's do it again. R. Little. R. Right here. R. What comes after R?
O.
O. And what comes after O?
W.
W. What comes after W?
N.
N. Okay, and what comes after N? Cat. What letter?
C.
C. Oh, what's next?
A.
A. And what's next? Don't forget the dot. ¿Qué dice? What does it say?
I. C. A. Brown.
Brown.
Cat.
Awesome.